Today I'll teach you how to make a text box alphanumeric. That is, it will accept only alphabets A to Z and numbers 0 to 9 in ASP.NET. So let's start. I will start by adding an ASP.NET text box control. I'm setting the ID for the text box. After that, I am adding RegularExpression Validator. The very first property is the ID of the control. Now I'm adding properties control to validate, where we have to specify the ID of the control to be validated. Now I'm adding properties validation expression, which will be used for validating the alphanumeric. That is, it will accept only alphabets A to Z and numbers 0 to 9. And lastly, the error message, which will be displayed to the user when the validation fails. The last thing I'm adding is a button, so that when the button is clicked, we can verify the validation. So with this, we complete our programming part, and now it's time to run our project and see it in action. The text box and the button has been rendered. Now I'll be adding alphabets A to Z and numbers 0 to 9 in the text box. So as you can see, the validation is working fine. So with this, we come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Goodbye.